and they're passing the ball a little bit more. No? Of course, they made the three-point shot. Baser, 2 in a row.
Side after Jay. Baseramer knocks it down. 6 points in the game. Meralco ahead.
Dalawa ni ng Batak yung scoring nila. Gabe again open. 4 points in the ball game now for Gabe.
Aba at kahit sa Cebu in the third quarter. Pinto off the screen. Sees some daylight. Puts it up and in. How about that?
And it's gonna count. So wasted lahat yung dalawang foul na binigay mo because you still give. Very focused, very alive.
Belga for 3.
That looked good.
3 up and 3 down. That is the Bo Belga Super Bowl Sunday special. Inside, now pasa doon ni Almazan. Fast break in the making now. Para sa Meralco.
Oh,
And a foul given up by Belga. +1.
not a good foul dahil pangatlo na niya yun. Why are you gonna foul him?
Durham.
Guys, you're gonna shoot this.
And he got it. Second straight buzzer beater here in the first half for the Meralco Bolts. Kanina si John Pinto. Ngayon naman si... Nasa college pa sila. Nabatak from way downtown. Another one.
Quinto just looks to the bench and say, what can I do? I mean, I defended him. He just...
Durham with a crossover. Sets up Almazan. Point Almazan. And look at him rock that guitar. Rock and roll for Raymond Almazan.
And these two players seem to have a very good chemistry with each other. Durham loves to pass. Eric Siminiano! Oh, I thought he had that.
Ross.
Yes!
Oh, look at that.
Siya naman ang buzzer beater ngayon.
This time it's rain or shine beating the buzzer as we head into the fourth quarter. The Elaso bidders again. Quinto, naagawan ni Borboran. Incredible, never quit spirit para sa rain or shine. Rosales all the way. It's a tied game.
Saka dito nakikita mo na yung mga ibang players ng Bolts nagpipilit na ng tira. They lost the fluidity of their teamwork which they had earlier.
Using that Torres pick, nag-switch si Almazan. Steps way back and knocks it down. Are you kidding me? Reyna Bata.
I mean, it's the second time he's shot that
To
far.
the left this time, his strong side. Sets up Ross. 3 left to shoot. Bata underneath. 22 points, Reyna Bata. 79-73 lead.